You ever been so dirty you don't even want to touch yourself? Get a hand job. Got hand cleaning wipes here. If you guys watch the videos all the time, you've seen them before. And this is a new product that we're trying to help a buddy of ours get to take off. And right now, if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex of Texas, you can go to Napa and Wiley and get yourself a hand job. It comes in squirt bottles, wall pumps, or these awesome wipes that I use every day. And I tell you what, unlike other ones I've used, this thing will get nasty. You're like, man, that's dirtier than my hands are. I don't stop and get a new one. I just keep scrubbing. And it still keeps cleaning. Kind of smells like, I don't even know what to say it smells like. I haven't asked him what it's supposed to smell like. But they smell like bubble gum, like the old Bazooka Joe bubble gum when we were kids. That's what they smell like to me. But like I said, if you want some and you're in the Dallas Metroplex, go to Napa and Wiley and get you some. If you're not in the Metroplex, like I said, we're trying to help this company grow. And I'm going to do everything I can to help him out. So send me an email, which the email is in the description. Leave a comment on the video. Say, hey, I'm interested in the hand job, hand cleaning, wipes or pump or whatever. And we'll get with them, and the more interest we have, the more we'll look into getting the stuff out there. So let's get to the video. All right. It's another week, and that means it's time for another video. Welcome to Harmon Garage. I'm Aaron, and today I'm going to catch you guys up on everything that's going on up front and behind the scenes at Harmon Garage. So we're in the shop right now. We've still got Shorty laying around, which is mostly my fault. I just haven't got back to working on it. We got the ever-loved burnout truck that I just haven't had time or money to work on, but we will get back to it. And also here inside we have a huge mess. No, we've got old Jammer. Old Jammer is on the chopping block. Like, he's got I'll show you something else that we got going outside, and then we're gonna get back on old Jammer and get some more work done on it, because we need to get some more work done on it. Burb Nasty, my daily driver Suburban. I've been using it to haul my 4-year-old around a lot more than usual lately. And the front end on this thing was trash. You'd be going down the road and it'd like start veering over to the right and it'd stick, and you'd go to correct it and it'd overcorrect and take you across 2 lanes of traffic and almost put you in the ditch. And it was just me driving it. I wasn't that worried about it, but having my 4-year-old in there with me all the time, kind of important for it to be really safe. So we're fixing it. Got the cab out here for Shorty. It's ready to get some body work. We've got Humpty Dumpty the dually. It's just gotten a bunch of work, and he still wants us to do a bunch more. We're gonna pull the big block out. We're gonna clean everything up. We're gonna re-gasket everything. We're gonna check everything over. We're gonna clean the engine compartment all up and go all fancy with everything. And then he's gonna take it. After that, he's gonna take it, start sanding on it. And then when he's done sanding on it, we'll shoot it with some primer and let him sand on it some more, and we'll go from there. So, as you've seen, we took the wrecker setup out of Humpty Dumpty, because that was the plan originally from when my buddy Carl got it. And it is sitting over here, because that wrecker setup and this motor and this 54 Chevy and maybe some more of this parts dually here, and who knows, are all going to come together as one and be known as Pop's Tina. And that's Pop's truck, patina, Pop's Tina. Sure you figured it out already. If you haven't, I just broke it down for you, so you should get it. We got Victim. We just placed a huge order of parts for Victim. Whole brand new interior. All the stuff to make the LS motor work as it should. And some other stuff. So once we start getting a bunch of parts coming in, we'll start getting some more work done on that. We've got the old K5 over here. I've got a bunch of new plans for it, just waiting on time and money to get there. We got our school bus. Who knows, it's just there. We've got Kermit. That's another someday project. Y'all have seen Kermit before. Ultra rare option 73 C10. So he's gonna have his day, just not yet. And then we got this pristine, one owner, low mileage. It's a parts Tahoe. Got the motor and trans coming out of that for something else we got up there for a buddy. May not be a big project on the channel, it's just a little job I got to do. We'll see what happens. Got the Gentleman. I have a feeling the Gentleman's going to see some action here fairly soon. Revenuer. I got a special plan for Revenuer, and I've got it in the works, and we're waiting. So that's going to come. We got this big old lifted 4x4. I think I'm just going to sell it. I don't even know that I'm going to do anything with it. I think I'm just going to sell it. I've had some interest in it. I got it to flip it in the first place. So that's probably what we're gonna do. We're probably just gonna cut her loose. But I'm about to tear up looking at the baby girl over here. We got Evergreen. It's been sitting way too long. I'm gonna have to weld in patch panels where I already welded in patch panels because it's gonna rust back out before I get back to it. But it's fairly close to being done. I just need time. There's never enough time. And now, if you've been watching the extra videos on the channel, you know that I've got another project going on that's, I don't want it to, but it's kind of taking precedence over the main stuff. And there's an explanation for that that will be coming soon. I'm not there yet. Once I tell you guys everything, and once everything comes about the way it needs to, then I'll tell everybody what's going on with Harmon Garage. But in the meantime, today we're doing a walk around video instead of our normal main content video. So we've got this little red shorty over here that's gonna be, I don't even want to give away what we're doing to it because that would just ruin the project when it comes out, but that's gonna be cool. We got a red OBS shorty here. It's gonna get the engine and transmission from the Tahoe donor over there, 350 4L60. And of course we got Waldo. Waldo's getting really close. All I got left to do is finish up some stuff on the motor, hook all the winch stuff back up, and Waldo will be ready to go. So we got RJ. A couple people have asked. This Pop's truck now. He wanted the toolbox on it. He got the headache rack. He got the push bar. And he even found him some LED fog lights put on there. And he likes it. That's all that matters. So that's his little get around town vehicle. And he's been enjoying it. He's been here with me for a couple weeks now. So it's been a lot of fun. Old Pennywise is sitting over there crying in the woods. He's still hurt. I haven't had time to mess with him. So, as you know, blew both head gaskets when I went to Texas to pick up the Gentleman. And I kind of rushed through putting head gaskets back in. And it runs, it drives. I've used it since. But it uses a lot of oil, which is mostly just pumping out of the valve cover. And it's still using water, which it's not going in the motor. but somehow, somewhere, it's using water and I don't like it. So I'm gonna pull the motor out, I'm gonna clean it up, I'm gonna re-gasket it again. We're gonna fix it up and see what happens. And you guys may notice that we just walked into my little house on the prairie. No, it's not a little house on the prairie. It's my little house at Harmon Garage. And if you haven't been watching the extra content videos that I've been putting out on Friday, which I know by the view count, most of you have not, I've been working on renovating this little house. So far, I've gotten, I can't even show you guys what this looked like before, but if you haven't watched the videos to see, go back and check them out for me. I could really use the views. But tongue and groove walls, we put a bathtub in. We got roof metal there, hot water heater, all this stuff. We got our floor put in. This is all new. We got this built out. Made ourselves a little utility closet in here. All the wiring is done. All the plumbing's done except for the toilet. That's gonna happen tomorrow morning. And then I'm gonna continue on with the rest of the house. So if you guys have been seeing videos pop up and go, I don't know what that is, and doesn't look like Harmon Garage, it is. We're renovating the house, and that's all part of things to come that I'm gonna tell everybody about. Just not quite yet. So it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be really cool. Go ahead and check out the videos on the house. Give it a like, whatever. And I know this isn't much for our normal Tuesday video, but as much as I hate to say it, it's all I got for you guys this week. So thank you for sticking along, riding it out, and thanks for all the faithful followers that watch every video, comment on every video and everything else. And thank you to all the new people that stop by to check it out. If you like it, hit the subscribe button, stay a while. So anyways, once again, that's kind of just what's going on. I've been super busy, working a lot of hours, and I was gonna make a video for you guys on doing the front suspension on Burb Nasty here, but I just wasn't feeling it. So we did a walk around. Hopefully you guys liked the update, and thanks again for watching. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be able to do this. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time.